rear brakes on that thing, so I may do a video on that too. But today we're out riding normal trails. You can see fall, beautiful out. Can't ask for much better, you know, 58 degrees out today, not raining. It did rain last day, so it ought to be pretty wet, but pretty damn nice out. So I guess Derek and his buddies are out riding. We're gonna see if we can go find them and catch some good footage. Last time I tried to make it up this trail 3 times and I couldn't get up the hill. I laid it down every time. Today, and Derek's not going to help me out. Oh yeah, there was an easier way. Alright. Yeah, so last time this trail went up, it was all covered in leaves. Okay, here we go. Different in the fall. You can barely even tell where you're going. Super cool point of view. Love the leaves. So I love the side-by-side. Everything about it. And especially being able to take my wife. There's something about getting on the, like, I never had a dirt bike as a kid. I was always a four-wheeler guy. But you seem to be able to go so many more different places on a dirt bike or a pit bike than you can on, you know, a big machine, is what I call them. It's definitely sketchier. Like I just almost laid it down there. And it is a whole lot more work. And I don't have a clutch. You know, this is a automatic. For those of you who don't know, I got a couple missing fingers over there, so you can't easily work a clutch with only a single index finger on your left hand. But anyway, enough about that. Get back to ripping. I tried to aim the camera down a little bit so you could see the bike rather than just me kind of floating through the air. Too, because it's super muddy. Definitely use a little better traction, so hopefully we don't get a flat. I also don't have a rip off on the back either, so hopefully it doesn't fit the tire. The tube. I don't really ride that hard. Got on the muck boots today. Had them for at least 12 years I've owned these boots. Worn them in a lot of different times. They're over $100. quad and hit the left front over that rock right there. Flipped it on top of his head. Me and my wife come around the corner, found him upside down, unconscious, all 800 pounds up on his shoulder. So it was a pretty rough time. We got 3 months, he's barely recovered, but motherfucker there's probably 2 feet tall. Come up that hill with the headlight off and cracked it. Airborne, flipped over, landed on shoulder and neck, knocked out. Anyway, let's go find Derek. Pretty muddy out. These things just go anywhere. Literally anywhere. So much fun. Worth every bit that they could. I mean, they were expensive, you know, $2,800 or something brand new with the dealer fees, but fucking flat. It never broke down, like super reliable. Got this camera still on? Yep. Okay. The waterfall. Where I get a good picture here. Yeah. Good thing I wore the muck boots. About a foot deep of water. And thank you to the Piranha ignition coil that allows me to drive through any kind of water, mist, whatever. This man has been great. Maverick wasn't with them, so let's check the phone here and see. Man, pretty damn nice out. Alright, apparently they're already at the gas station, so there we go. Slippery. Down and cut to the left through the leaves. Looks pretty muddy. As you can hear, it's got a little bit of a backfire. It's a little rich. That's okay. Better rich than lean.
The rut got me.
It's a portal too.
Yeah.
Did that hurt?
It went pretty good on my shoulder. Keep up with you guys. Thanks. Huh? That's pretty wet out.
I didn't make it.
I didn't fall.
They don't like coming down.
Almost hittable on the pit bike. A little too steep at the top there.
It does get steep up there.
Yeah, yeah. Oh. thing's so hard. Water rolling off of my helmet still, asshole.
Dude.
Yeah.
Side of your Honda with me? Yeah. So we were riding. He decides to hit all the water holes. I'm just covered. Everything. You rode right next to me.
And I hit a rut so fucking hard, man. Oh. It's so funny. It's so funny. I'm gonna wait till he's watching TV later and unplug the Wi-Fi cord, or like playing a video game and just unplug it. Just as a awesome tactic as a dad, if you ever want to piss your children off, especially in this day and age, wait till they're really like in-depth in something and fucking unplug the Wi-Fi cord. It is so good. Just hear what happens afterwards. It gets old after a while, but for the first few times it's hilarious. foot peg and the shifter on that. fucking hit was the end of that. Low pressure, roots, sacrifice. We're gonna have to have my wife come pick me up. So we're done for today. Got a flat tire. I decided to try and let all the air pressure out of the tires and to get better traction. And running a tube, got a pinch flat, so my wife's coming to get me. Kind of shitty, but is what it is.